In this video, I'm going to talk about the quotient rule. Okay, so suppose y is equals to u on v, where u and v are both functions in x. So my divide x, so this one is quotient. Okay, so division. So example, x plus 1 on x plus 2. So this is a typical example of quotient. Okay, so in such cases we differentiate so the function like y dx. So what we are going to do is to square the denominator here. Okay, when we finish, bring it here and find the derivative of the top one, du dx, minus, okay, this time keep the top one, then find the derivative of the bottom, dv dx. So that's that. Now let's solve the following examples. Now, when we're given x plus 1 on x plus 2, let's take this one out. So let y represent that x plus 1, x plus 2. So divide x, this is v, this is u, okay? So you have to first square the bottom, the denominator. Okay, when you square it, you bring it here. Okay, and differentiate the top one, 1 minus. So this time I'll keep the down one, x plus 2. And sorry, I'll keep the top one, x plus 1, and differentiate the down one, 1. So we have x plus 2 minus x plus 1 on x plus 2 all squared. So remember this one is the same as x plus 2 minus x minus 1 on x plus 2 all squared. So this one will cancel this. I will leave it 2 minus 1 on x plus 2 all squared. So the final answer, divide x, is 1 on x plus 2 all squared. All right. Okay, so go ahead and try the following. So we have 1 minus x on 1 plus x squared. So let's go through them together. So the first one, so we let y be 1 minus x, 1 plus x. My divide x will be, now let's square the down one. So 1 plus x, okay, minus, before that let's differentiate the top one, that will be minus 1 minus, so let's keep the top one and differentiate the down one, 1. So we have negative 1 multiplying this, minus 1 minus x, and we have minus 1 here, minus 1 plus x on 1 plus x all squared. Okay, so this one will cancel this. You have minus, divide x minus 2 on 1 plus x all squared. All right. Now let's look at the last example here. So y equals to x on 1 plus x squared. So mind dy dx. So we will square everything, the down one, 1 plus x squared. Then we have it here. So let's differentiate the top one, 1 minus, keep the top one and differentiate the down one. So we have 2x. So we have 1 plus x squared minus 2x squared on 1 plus x squared all squared. So x squared minus 2, we have 1 minus x squared on 1 plus x squared all squared. So that is dy dx. Alright, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this.